keto people, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food. And today's delicious keto recipe goes out to my fellow parents. These are strange times, and right now many of us are stuck at home trying to juggle jobs, kids, school, and our health. You need more easy recipes that the whole family loves, and today I've got a great one for you. We're making Keto Jalapeno Popper Chicken. So first things first, we're going to crisp up our bacon. I have 4 pieces of bacon here that I've chopped already. I always like to chop it first because I find it browns more evenly. Okay, so once your bacon is cooked to your liking, you just want to take it out of the pan and leave some of the grease behind for cooking the chicken. Okay, so now I've got 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I've dried them off, and I'm going to sprinkle them with some salt and pepper. And I'm going to put them in my hot pan and brown them on both sides. And once you've got them nicely browned on one side, just flip them all over to brown the other side. You don't need to worry about cooking them through because they're going to go in the oven in a little bit. And then you can just transfer your chicken to any glass or ceramic baking dish that you like. So now we're going to whip up a little cream cheese sauce to go over the chicken. Here I have 4 ounces of cream cheese, and I'm going to make it extra soft by popping it in my microwave for about 15 seconds. Now that my cream cheese is nice and soft, I'm going to add a little heavy cream. I use about 3 tablespoons, but you don't have to be exact, you can kind of eyeball it. So we're going to whisk these together until they're nice and creamy. And if it feels like it's too thick, you can add a little more cream. And to give it an extra flavor boost, we are going to add 2 cloves minced garlic. Try to get it as smooth as you can, but it doesn't need to be perfect. It's all going to bake together nicely. And we could just spread our sauce on top of our chicken, trying to get it all nicely coated. Now we're going to add the jalapeno. So here I have 2 small jalapeno peppers, and I've minced them finely. I leave the seeds in for extra heat, but if you don't like things quite so spicy, you can take them out. And I'm just sprinkling them over top. And on top of that, we put some cheddar cheese. I have about 1.5 cups, which is about 6 ounces, that I have shredded myself. And we just want to get good coverage over everything. And finally, the bacon. We're just going to sprinkle that over, nice and evenly again. And if you want, you can take 1 little slice of jalapeno and put it over each chicken piece, just for looks and decoration. And now our jalapeno popper chicken is ready for the oven. I'm going to put it in at 375 for about 20 minutes to make sure the chicken is cooked through. Okay, you guys, look at that. I have a gorgeous jalapeno popper chicken dish that I can serve my kids hot out of the oven. Check this out. Gooey, cheesy, delicious. You know you've got a family pleaser on your hands when all 3 of your kids say they like it. For this easy keto recipe and so many more, please check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com.